what was your recommendation for winter Q4 products? I mean, every Christmas thing ever. In terms of like wind chimes and stuff, I would personally start a new store. I would list some products that are like winter related on that same store, but my focus would not be on that store. I would kind of leave that store a little bit more relaxed, and I'd focus on a new store, trying to build that up, specifically focusing on winter stuff, more focusing on winter stuff. So that's one thing I would say. In terms of winter products, winter Q4 products, there's so many. I mean, the kind of perfect stuff for you is to combine like the garden decor and Christmas stuff together. So things like wreaths, like the bushes people put on their door. That's the perfect thing, like literally perfect thing. Because then you're combining garden decor and also Christmas related stuff. So you're going to be able to use the algorithm to push the algorithm that's already on your store wants more garden products. So if you then list something that's Christmas related, you're going to be able to do that. I mean, anything Christmas related that is still within your niche is literally perfect. List it. Like Christmas gnomes and garden lights and Christmassy lights for outside. There's so many different things. The little Santa signs, like Santa's coming here and all this kind of shit.